Onkruid.
Hi guys, welcome back to my little corner of YouTube. So if you look at me, wait, let me open this one. If you look at me and you see that I am a little bit sweaty, that's because we are officially in Curacao. Yes, we landed yesterday, and I'm not even gonna lie to you, that was the 10 longest hour of my life, for real. Like, I couldn't fall asleep on the airplane. I only slept for like 2 hours. And then I went to watch His and Her. I watched all the 6 episodes, and I'm like, you can end the episode like that. Like, hello, I need more. But yeah, after that, I was thinking what to do. Yeah, of course, on the airplane you don't have a lot to do. So I also downloaded on Netflix like a documentary about influencer. It was about 1.5 hours, and I sit there and watch. And the last 10 minutes of that documentary, I was like, oh my god, I want to get out. Like, and I probably had like 4 hours left to fly, so I was so done. And the food, yeah, I'm gonna pop out photos, but like the food, I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10, maybe a 5 out of 10. I didn't like it, but like I was starving because in the morning I didn't eat because of all the emotion that was going on. But yeah, I had to eat it. And after that, after the documentary, I also started reading. I'm reading The Mountain Is You. I'm gonna put the link below. This is a very good book so far. I really like it, honestly, and I can see it connect to the real world. But when I finally landed, like the immigration took like half an hour. Like I was standing there, oh my god, like too long. And then I went to grab my suitcases. I was so done. I was ready to leave the airport. So I met like my 2 brothers, and then I got home. Of course, if you're coming from Europe or overseas, you know that you have to come with a lot of stuff for your family, actually. So I started unpacking and separating everybody's stuff. After that, I went to grab something to eat. I went for a chicken capsalon. It was really good. And then I came back home. I took a shower. I did my skincare, and then I put my mask on. Like, I'm gonna put the link also for that below. But this mask is really good. You have to try it. Y'all know I have acne-prone skin, so of course my face is always with a lot of pimples. But after using this mask, it hydrates my skin, and also, like, I don't see all the pimples like that anymore. Like here, I also have a lot of pimple, but like I don't feel them anymore. So that mask works magic, I'm telling you. After that, I went to sleep. After I put my mask on, I went to sleep. But yeah, I'm feeling good. The weather is good. The sun is out. I'm now going to start my day. I'm gonna do my skincare again, my hair, and then search for clothes. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. But today I don't have big plans. I'm only going to meet with my brother. We're gonna get the car, and I wanted to also get some hair care products. But yeah, that's it. So let's start our day. Contrumi, boom. Cara landa tudo na coisa. Agora landa na coisa. Sim, linha, no baba. É 4 horas fila e mané, 8 horas. Seguro, sim. Okay, that's my order.
Nunca posso anche lo che mi chiede,
No, sí.
No, este.
Strawberry lemonade and Toku homemade fruit punch. That's what I was saying.
Eu vou só
Okay. Assim, steak and cheese wrap. Eu não quero comer, porque eu não sou sure.
Aruba es también así, siempre.
Okay. Damn. ¿Qué parece que? Glade, sí, Glade. Di combatasyon. Lang kita ba sim? O primeiro deve dizer. Ah, me sei versamente flat. Me sei Guys, look at these. What the heck? It's avocado. What I miss the most. Oh my goodness. Oh, pato, ¿cuánto tan grande sí? No, es un pie para atrás. Es un camino para ponerse un ahí pie para atrás. No. Pé na punta. É tim preto. Sim. Later like this every time. Almost finished. Sí.
Eli de buscamenta. Onkroit. Ay, no. Te quedas acá. Sabes que te queda el hombro.
Después de cuánto? 30 sal y 30 sal. Pero ahora kita food. Because I need some food, bro. No sé. Sambil. Okay. And of course, I have to come here. Okay, I got this. Lágrimas vai ver. Aqui não aparece pra mim.
La capa röster. Ay, no. 69.
Hermano, let's go, let's go. What? Okay, now we're going to eat.
Che menu che mi sa capo di
Chico che?
Crepes batata, però pochissimo che poche.
Let's see. I couldn't wait to eat, bro. Oh, yes. Yummy.
Eli, ¿podrás quitar el teléfono?
Yes. Okay, y'all. Say again. Okay. Gymnastics done. Now we are going home. That's it?
Can I eat my banana?
Of course. You did good. So let's go. Alright guys, I'm gonna close this video right here. Thank you so much if you made it this far of the video. If you have any video idea or suggestions, please comment down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.